Hello and welcome to Primary Earth Maths Magic. Today we're going to be learning about the formal multiplication lesson 1 for year 3. Let's get started. Have a look at this problem. Is the following statement true or false? 2 multiplied by 3 add 3 is greater than 5 multiplied by 3. To have a go yourself, pause this video now. Okay, let's take a look. So 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6, and then if we add 3 to that we get 9. So is 9 greater than 5 times 3, which equals 15? So 9 greater than 15. So obviously this statement is incorrect because 9 is less than 15, which is the correct answer. So this statement was in fact false. Now let's have a look at our method. Our question is 23 multiplied by 2. For the formal multiplication method, we've arranged these numbers into their place value columns, 1s and 10s. Let's start with our 1s column here. 3 multiplied by 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, which we place under the 1s column here. Next, we look at our 10s and our number we're multiplying by, which is slightly different than the other methods. So our new calculation is 20 multiplied by 2. We can do this by doing 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4, and then multiplying that number by 10. So 4 multiplied by 10 equals 40. We place that number underneath our first answer. So we've got the answer 6 and the answer 40. What we need to do next to find out our final answer is to add those two numbers together. As you can see here, we've taken 6 and 40 and added them together. So 6 add 0 is 6 and 40 add nothing is 40, giving us the final answer of 46, which means that 23 multiplied by 2 gives the final answer of 46. Okay, think you've got the hang of this method? Challenge yourself by solving these calculations using the method we just practiced. Pause this video now to have a go. Okay, let's take a look at the answers. So 26 multiplied by 2 is 52, 22 multiplied by 3 is 66, 15 multiplied by 5 is 75, and finally 12 multiplied by 6 is 72. Well done for giving that a go. If you made a few mistakes, go back and watch this method again. If you got them all right, let's try some maths mastery. Take a look at this calculation. It has some numbers missing. Use your knowledge of this method to find the missing numbers. To give yourself time to work this out, please pause this video now. Okay, let's have a look how to solve this problem. So our question is 32 multiplied by something equals 64. And we have our answer, which is 64. We know that 2 multiplied by something is 4. We know that 3 multiplied by something is 6. And we know that 30 multiplied by something is 60. Therefore, I know that 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. And I know that 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6, give me a final answer of 64. Therefore our missing number is of course 2. Well done for completing this video. You've worked really hard. It's time to rate your understanding of this method. If you rate yourself a 1, you fully understand the concept and can solve different problems using this method. If you rate yourself a 2, you know how to solve the problem and are ready for a challenge. And if you rate yourself a 3, you're starting to understand the concept but need a little bit more help. If you rated yourself a 3 or a 2, watch this video again to become more confident using this method. If you rated yourself a 1, you can move on to formal method multiplication lesson 2, year 3. Did you know you can download resources for this lesson by visiting our Primary Earth shop at TES? Simply scan the QR code with your phone or tablet camera or click the link in the description below. It's as simple as that. Thanks again for watching our Maths Magic video. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and a comment to let us know, and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. See you soon!